Hello everyone, how are you students? Students, in the last class we were discussing about land and record and reporting a crime. As you know, in your class civic chapter 6 rural administration is going on, and we were discussing about reporting a crime. And in the reporting a crime, we have discussed about FIR, first information report, and you know FIR is very important. The police can take action on the basis of FIR, and its FIR start the investigation process only after the FIR is registered. Means you can understand the FIR is very important, and with this police start to investigate the crime. With this, we have to discuss about more topics such as in the rural area, becoming about land record and the work of the Lekpal, Tahsildar, Kanungo. You know, student, about you have listened the name of the Tahsildar, Lekpal, and so we have to discuss here in your chapter. Such as you know, rural administration is going on, and in this chapter we are discussing about different land records and the administration are related to rural or district, rural and district, and the district administration about DM, SP, SSP, about rural administration. So for today, students, let's start about more topic related to this chapter, chapter 6, rural administration. Okay, for today topic is maintenance of land record. Student, in the last class we have discussed, and I hope you have noted the FIR and about law and order in a rural society in remote area. Now today's topic is maintenance of land records. Maintenance of land records. Now we have to know about maintenance of the land records. How we maintain the land record? Who maintain the land record? And we get land record. Then question is who maintain, and how can we see about land records if we need about a different type land record. Then any dispute if became in an area in your society related to field, related to any matter, then how will we get a clear records? You know, student, dispute regarding land and its ownership occur frequently in village, as the farmland does not have a clear-cut boundary, and land disputes are settled by the sarpanch of the village with the help of land record officer called Patwari. Now, the role of Patwari. Patwari. You have listened the name Patwari? Patwari, also known as Lekpal or Kanungo, is an important official at the village level. Patwari, also known as Lekpal or Kanungo, is an important official at the village level, and the duties are different type duties I have told to you. And which type duty done by the Lekpal? to keep a record of who own which land in the village. Means keep record, keep land record. Keep land records. And second point, mainly point, keep land record. And the land record noted all the record noted by Patwari. And to measure the land and field of the farmer and keep a record of detail. Measure the land and land record detail also. Keep by Lekpal. And more point related to the Patwari, work of the Patwari. And with this, the work to mark the boundary of land on a map. Means land boundary according to map. According to map. Land boundary according to map. And these records help in the setting land dispute between farmers to maintain update record as who could inherit the land and to keep an account of the collection of revenue from the farmers. Records of collection of revenue. Records of collection of revenue. So you have to note down, and one more point, to keep the government informed about the crops being grown in the village. Crops grown, records, crops grown, record in the village. Note down these are the point, the work of the Patwari. Student, take all the point by point are important. Note down all the points. Have you noted all the point? Have you noted? With this we have to know the work of the Tahsildar, and you know Patwari, and Patwari present time Patwari keep information on computer, because in the present time so many work noted by computer, and in modern time all the information noted on computer. And to computerize the land record, the government of India had designed new software called the Patwari Information System, and the information on the computer is checked by the local Patwari. Means all the information noted in computer, and in modern time when we need the records, easily we can get a record through the computer. About all the land record we keep in computer, and this source is a very important, and from where we can note down the information. Have you noted all the point? Okay. Now, Tahsildar. Tahsildar. What is the work of the Tahsildar? And we have to note down the work of the Tahsildar. Right now, we have discussed about Patwari or Lekpal, and now we are going to discuss about Tahsildar. You know, the work of the Patwari is monitored by Tahsildar. Means whatever work done by Patwari, Tahsildar record and monitor the work. Tahsildar monitor the work done by Patwari or Lekpal. And who are revenue officer at the level of Tahsil? They see to it that the land revenue is collected in time. They also hear dispute regarding land in their areas. So student, revenue officer, and they see it the land revenue is collected in time. They also hear dispute regarding land in their area. You can say a revenue officer because all the revenue, taxes, all the things monitored by Tahsildar. Tahsildar watch about all the things done by Lekpal, and Lekpal also are collecting the revenue or not. Means all the things, all the work monitored by Tahsildar. And sub-divisional officer supervise the work of the Tahsildar. Sub-divisional officer supervise the work of Tahsildar. With the district collector also. District collector, you know, district collector, such as the name district collector, at a district level supervise the entire revenue collection at the district level. At a district level, district collector also supervise about entire revenue collection in a district. And judicial administration. Judicial administration. Students, you know, in a rural area, different work done by a different officer, and activity and all the judicial things. Means we have discussed here about rural land record and how is work of the Patwari and Tahsildar. With this we have to know about judicial administration also. You know, at the district level there are two types of court to administer justice. Administer justice, the work of the judiciary. We will note here. Two part, judicial administration, civil court, and criminal courts. Civil courts, criminal courts. Judicial administration, civil courts, criminal court. Means judicial administration are there are two types. Judicial administration are two types, and which two types? First civil court and second criminal courts. And what is civil court? Civil cases are the cases related to money or property. Such as you can know, civil court means in the civil cases can listen in civil court, such as civil cases such as related to money matter, related to matter of money, related to matter of property. These type matters are decided in the civil court. And what is criminal court? Cases related to the crime, a big matter, you can understand, listening criminal court, such as big matter, big crime, such as murder, theft, and threat to life or property are decided, listened in the criminal court. And the criminal court are presided by a session judge. The court of session judge is the highest court in our district. Court of Session Judge is the highest court in the district. With this, you have to know, student, Hindu Succession Amendment had been done in 2005, Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, and this act has given a new inheritance law, नया उत्तराधिकार कानून, and to remove gender discrimination and to give a equal rights to the women, and amendment was made the inheritance law known as Hindu Succession Act in 2005. Means according to this act, no one is different. Means boy, girl, both are equal and both having a right to the father's property, parents' property. They are inheritance, and this inheritance act passed in 2005. Note down, Hindu Succession Inheritance Law 2005. And according to this law, daughter has come rights over father's property as a son. Means daughter also have a right over the father's property as a son, and it brings even agricultural land at par with other property. It also gives even married daughters the right to live or say portion of family houses. Means married daughter also having a right to the property of the father, and this act empowers women and makes them economically secure. With this, people getting economically secure. If a daughter is a poor, belong a poor family, then having a right to the parties to the father's property, and with the boy means girls also with the boy having a right to getting a property in the father's property. Okay, have you noted? Note down all the point. Have you noted? Very good. Student, with this, your chapter Rural Administration has been finished. Your chapter Rural Administration has been finished, and after this class, you will get your question answer through PDF in a group. And now, note down your homework. Your chapter has been finished. This chapter Rural Administration. Note down homework. Second homework. Who is in charge of police? Who is in charge of police station? Who is in charge of police station? The third homework. You have to write also the full form of FIR. What is FIR? You have to write this is the full form of FIR. the land records maintain the land records in a village. Who are maintain the land records in a village. Note down your homework. Okay, these are 3 homework. Note down, student. Have you noted homework? What is FIR? Who is in charge of police station? Who are maintain the land records in a village? Is your homework? Okay, very good. So student, you have to do homework and that way, and your chapter also has been finished. Question answer also you will get in a group, and next day we will start a new chapter. Thank you, student. And in the next class we will start a new chapter. Thank you.